Today is Friday, January 4th, 2008, and we're in the middle of the worst windstorm to hit us in at least 10 years. And it's crazy out there. You got to see this. It's our massive epic windstorm that we're supposed to get today, with low pressure deeper than that of the Columbus Day storm. It's so horrible out there. Oh my God, I think we're going to die.
Hey, you want to go sunbathing?
Yeah, the wind started at 10 a.m. It's now almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And the worst part of the wind is supposed to hit in about an hour or two. And we're all bracing ourselves. Wow, that tree is really whipping around. If we're not careful, we might lose the roof.